Hey guys, it's Joey and Trevor here, back again with another video, and today we're going to be teaching you how to make a peanut butter and jelly sandwich. Okay, so what you got to do is you got to take your 2 buns and put it in the toaster oven, okay? So put it in there, Trevor. Alright, now you click the start button, you just wait a couple minutes. Okay guys, so now once you got your peanut butter and jelly, then you got to take your bread, make a nice cut through it.
It is very easy to cut through because we cooked it perfectly.
Yep.
Okay, and now you're gonna get some peanut butter. Oh yeah. Gotta spread it out evenly. And you might be wondering why we have 4 slices of bread. Because we are making 2 sandwiches. Yeah. Next step is jelly. After we clean up our shelf, you have to put your jelly on. Well, I'm not much of a jelly fan, so I just got a little bit on there. Joey, do you like jelly?
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah, you do?
Dump it on there. That's good. Okay, so once you got your peanut butter and jelly on your sandwich, then you gotta put them together. Oh man. Now it's time for the taste test. Man, is that good or what?
It's really good. The bread is just perfect.
Hey guys, thank you so much for watching our YouTube video. See you in the next video. Like and subscribe. See you in the next video.